Hi, I'm Katina Fair, and I'd like to welcome you to 24524 Wavemaker. Check out this award-winning kitchen with a 13-foot island featuring Calcutta Calenza marble and waterfall edges. This kitchen also features built-in GE monogram appliances with separate ice maker and wine fridge. This is the perfect spot to expand your culinary skills. And once you've cooked up that fabulous meal, imagine yourself enjoying time with friends and family in this spacious great room and dining room, designed with entertaining in mind. Escape with your guests to this secluded, private screened-in porch, offering views of the golf course, Lingo Creek, and the sounds of nature in the background. This home has everything, including a wine room hidden underneath the staircase. Take a look at this soundproof media room that can be converted into a first floor suite. Relax and pamper yourself in this luxurious master bath. Retreat for a good night's sleep in this elegant master suite. Contact me, Katina Fair, at 443-528-4424 for all your home buying and selling needs at the Maryland and Delaware beaches.